Restaurants often remove menu categories due to changing trends, seasonal specials, or discontinuing a low-performing menu section. In this video, we'll show you how to delete a menu category from your Sapaad POS. Let's start. First, go to Setup and then click Menu Setup. Next, go to the Menu Categories section on your right and locate the menu category you want to delete. Click the Edit icon against the menu category. A pop-up box will appear. Click the Delete button. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to proceed. A notification message will be displayed, reminding you to refresh the menu to reflect the changes you made. Click the Refresh POS and Online Menu button to finalize the changes. If you are using the Sapaad Online ordering module, we recommend you to sync the store settings by visiting Setup, Sapaad Add-ons, then select Sapaad Online Settings. Go to the Synchronize tab and click on Save to update your changes. Additionally, if you have integrated your Sapaad menu with any of your food aggregators, make sure to update your changes and sync to make them live. And there you have it. Deleting a menu category in Sapaad POS is quick and easy. Check out our video on categorizing menus and menu items on Sapaad. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.